Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get subtitles on Pluto TV's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To get subtitles on Pluto TV, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in my.pluto.com and make a search. Log into your account and the homepage of Pluto TV will appear on the screen. Click on Watch Live TV option. Choose the movie or TV show that you'd like to watch and tap on it. Now to get subtitles, click on the icon right next to your speaker icon. This is how you can get subtitles on Pluto TV quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.